Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I have the RWPP box or Rose War Panty Power. So let's get in here and see what it's all about. I always want to lead this box because I think that they've nailed it. In the little blurb that they have on their website, it says, "It's all about you, your unwanted guest. RWPP is a monthly sub box to empower you during your magical time of the month." And I think that perfectly describes what's in this box. It is gifted to me for review. You will get my honest review. I have no idea what's in here, so let's check it out. When we open it up, we have our paperwork that will just basically tell us what's inside and what its value is. And then it's always beautifully wrapped. And what we will have are lifestyle products for that time of the month, and a couple of pair of underwear. And that is what this month looks like. And I left out a very big part of this box. We also have snacks. Okay, let me tell you just a little bit about it and then we will dive right in. It is $25.20 per month plus priority shipping. You get 3 to 5 lifestyle products plus 15 products for that time of the month, which you can customize. I'll talk about that in a second. And you get 2 pair of underwear and snacks. $25.20 plus shipping. I think that is fantastic. Let me make sure I didn't miss anything. The tampons and pads are organic, and I always want to say that because I think that's very important. And you can change it. If you're going through a time in your life, you know, if you're pregnant or menopausal or for any reason you would like to take out the monthly necessities, you can do that and they will put in another lifestyle product for you. So that's even an option. You can also customize the undies. You get 2 pair, and I think you normally get 1 and a thong, but you can make it so that you get both thongs. You can make it so you get no thongs. You also have control over that. All right, we're gonna reach right into this. We're gonna start with the snacks. Oh, and I will put the link and a code below, RWPP25, that would get you $5 off your first box. Have a Nutri-Grain Blueberry Soft Baked Breakfast Bar. I love these. I have these in my life. I eat them so often for breakfast. It is ridiculous. They are only 130 calories. I happen to know right off the top of my head, and I love them. Now let's talk about this one because I saw chocolate. It is a Kinder or Kinder Creamy and Crispy Bueno Crispy Creamy Chocolate Bar. And it is 120 calories per bar, and I suspect there are 2 in here. That looks yummy. I'd like to stop right now and eat that. And then we also have the products. And like I said, you get 15 products. Usually I have found that we get 9 tampons and 6 pads. So you will have these in here, and they are indeed organic. And look, she's wrapped them up so prettily. Welcome to the November box, full of joy. And that is what the paperwork looks like. I have a Modern Skin Alchemy Shimmering Rose Cleansing Milk. And it says it's handcrafted in small batches. That is really cute looking. It is 4 fluid ounces. Let's see what it smells like. It's got a little seal on it. Oh, it smells good. It is kind of rose, but it is more just fresh, almost milky. That smells really nice. I will absolutely use that. I cannot wait to use. We got this Modern Skin Alchemy in another one of her boxes. It is a body oil, and I am loving that. This says it has a $26 value. That seems a little pricey for a 4-ounce bottle, but it is small batch and it does smell fantastic. Okay, reaching in next, I have a Luna Bliss Natural Deodorant Rustic Maca, Charcoal and Magnesium, Baking Soda Free. And that is what that looks like. And I do indeed use natural deodorants. I'm using the Wild Root deodorants and loving them, but I am always happy to try something new. Oh, it smells very fresh and nice. It's kind of dark. If you've tried this brand before, let me know. This smell is fantastic. I absolutely love this scent. What did they tell us? It smells almost kind of like watermelon. A blissfully clean powder crisp scent combined with just a hint of light floral aroma. It smells like watermelon to me. Now, we all know, it's our running joke on the channel that I am not the best smeller-e-teller. But this absolutely smells like watermelon. There's nothing in it that would explain my watermelon thing except for it says natural fragrance, so we don't know what that is. But yeah, it smells, I keep taking the lid off. It's deodorant. I know, get a grip, Kathrin. It smells really good. And this has a $12 value, which is very on par for natural deodorants. And next is something we also get each month, and it's called You're a Genius Down There Wipes in rose water. This is for, you know, a little refreshment that time of the month. I guess you could use it anytime. There's no rule about that. And next we have the drawers, our undies as it were. It looks like my theme this month is very autumnal, kind of beigey taupey. So the first pair, ooh, very nice. She's blushing a little bit. Is a cute little thong. Yes, that's it. Ta-da! Very cute. Am I blushing? I'm probably blushing. If you can see me turning red. Okay, there we go. And next, the not thong one. Oh, it's a boy short. I like that too. That is so cute. And when you sign up, you tell them your size, so you get the right size. And this is just a cute little boy short. Super soft. I mean, it's very soft. Actually, even on this one, this very little one here, the lace is very soft on it. And it is extra super soft on this one too. I like that a lot. So, you get 2 pair of undies. I know, I'm showing you tampons. No problem. I take out the undies and I start turning 32 shades of Irish crimson. It's just what I do. Oh, we have a couple more treats. I have blueberry candy, and it's written in Japanese, so that's all we know. Blueberry candy. That is really cool. I will probably pass this along to my granddaughters because it's cool Japanese candy and they will love it. And last we have the Zion Health Autumna Papaya Enzyme Clay Mask Exfoliating Cleanser. And it says Nourishing Mask, and it is a full size, made in the USA. 4 fluid ounces also, 100% vegan, paraben-free, sulfate-free, gluten-free. This vitamin-rich mask combines super antioxidants from papaya enzymes and purifying clay to help firm, hydrate, and add radiance to dull skin. Apply a thin layer over the face and anywhere on the skin that needs a deep cleansing. Leave on 1 to 15 minutes and rinse with cool water. All right. And it is sealed, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it sealed because papaya enzymes is one of those things with my sensitive skin that I get a little nervous about. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this sealed. They say this has a $20 value, which I think is absolutely completely fair. So that is the Rose War Panty Power box for November 2020, and I really like it, despite the blushing. I know, guys. I got 2 really cute pair of undies, which, by the way, always come very nice in a little organza bag. We have our monthly products and the wipes. We have the Papaya Enzyme Clay Mask, this incredibly wonderful smelling Luna Bliss Natural Deodorant. It smells really good, like a watermelon. I'm not backing off of it. I'm sticking to watermelon. If you get this box and you got the deodorant, please let me know below what you think it smells like. And then the Modern Skin Alchemy Shimmering Rose Cleansing Milk. And then, one of my favorite things to get in a box these days, because, you know, we're cooped up in the house, so there's not a lot of fun, some candies and treats. Let me know below what you think. It is $25.20 plus priority shipping. With RWPP25, I will put the link in the code below. You will get $5 off your first box if you have any interest. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.